Good morning students. I am Pranjal teacher back with English video. Today we are going to start our new lesson number 1.5, a kabaddi match. Students, everyone likes to play games. You play different types of games like kabaddi, hututu, hide and seek and so on. So today this our lesson is based on kabaddi. So before we start the lesson, I will explain about the kabaddi. I will explain about the information about the game kabaddi, which is already given in your textbook page number 15. So everyone, please see your textbook page number 15. So kabaddi is an ancient sport. It originated in India and has now become popular in many countries, so that many international events are organized. See, kabaddi is an ancient sport, means from many years we play kabaddi, and its genre is originated in India, means its originating point is in India, and has now become popular in many countries. Now in many countries they play kabaddi, so it became a international game. In these events, international rules are also being followed. But several other kabaddi styles such as Sanjivani, Gemini, Amar, etc. are followed in different parts of India. So there are different names are there. So like Sanjivani, Gemini or Amar. So like we say kabaddi, so different parts of India, it has the different name. Like these names you have to remember. So this is all about the kabaddi game. Thank you. Next, in kabaddi, two teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court. This kabaddi court is of rectangular shape, and in this kabaddi game there are two teams are there. In each team there are 7 members, and how they stand? They face each other in a flat rectangular court divided by a midline. In between there will be one midline. The game is usually played in 2 halves with a half time break in between. So this game will be played in between 2 halves, means two times will be there, and in between that one break will be there, half time break will be there. After the break, the teams exchange their sides in the court. Once half part will finish, then they will exchange their sides, and after the break again they will start. To play the game, each team sends riders across the midline to the other team. Now as the game starts, you know that from one team, one rider will go to catch the next opponents. The rider tries to tag the opponents and run back to his side. Now what that rider will do? He will tries to tag the opponents. Opponents means opponent next team, and they will run back to his side, all in one breath. So he has to do, rider has to do in one breath only, to show that he hasn't inhaled again. He has to chant kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi all the time. So you know that while playing we have to chant, means we have to say again and again, means continuously have to say kabaddi, kabaddi in one breath only. If he has to inhale again, he is out. He should not take breath in middle. In one breath only he has to say kabaddi, kabaddi. And if he wants to say again, he wants to inhale, then he will be out. The opponent tried to catch the rider and stopped him going back to his half till he loses his breath. Now what opponents will do? Till he is there in that team, so they will try to catch him and then stop him going back to his half till he loses his breath. So until unless he says that kabaddi, kabaddi, they will try to catch him and has to inhale again. And now till one breath only he has to say. If he wants to inhale again, he will be out. Again he has to touch to that middle line. If the rider manages to go back successfully, all the persons he has tagged and all those who have touched him are declared out. Now see, if the rider will touch to that players in opponent teams to whom he will touch, and again if he will successfully go back in his team till the middle line, then that opponent teams, that player whoever touch him, they will be out. For each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point. Now whoever will be out, the opponent teams, they will that team will score a point. If all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus point alone. Now see, if he will out to the opponent teams, all the players, means all the players from the opponent team, if they will be out, then this team will be getting one bonus point, that is called a lona. The team with the maximum points wins the match. Now team has to win the match with maximum